In front of me is REALME GT 70 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off easy mode. Begin by opening devices settings. Now scroll down to click on accessibility and convenience. When you're ready, scroll down again to access simple mode. Over here, click on it, tap on enter simple mode and wait. As you can see, after that, easy mode was successfully enabled. If you wish to disable it, go into devices settings, scroll all the way down, click on exit simple mode at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!